Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another S.E.E.K Science Club video powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. And today we are going to learn about 3D printing using a 3D pen. Yay! So let's get started. The materials you are going to need, ta-da! Of course, the 3D pen, your filament, whatever color you have or you want to use. So I'm going to use brown because of my skin color, chocolate. Brown marker, pair of scissors, white paper. You don't need the wax paper, but I am going to use the wax, and this is good for beginners. So let's get started. Step number one, you are going to draw whatever it is that you want to print with your 3D pen on your white paper. And once you do that, cut out enough wax paper to cover your drawing and then tape it down. Let's get started. You don't have to color it, but you know, it's so much hate going on in the world. I just feel like adding a little brown love for people like me. Brown skin girls, skin just like pearls. Next step, you are going to plug in your 3D pen if you have one that comes with a charger that looks like this. And you have three things you need to know. You have two side buttons here, and you also have the top with two buttons as well, and you have your filament. So what you are going to do with this 3D pen, you're going to hold the forward button down, and there's a button on the top that you're gonna press downward as well at the same time. And then it will turn on and it will start counting up to how much you want this to, the temperature. So this goes up to 210 degrees. And when it gets to 210, the light will turn green. Once that happens, you can then take your filament. You are going to put it in the back. There's a hole there, so I'm just gonna cut this because I don't want too much hanging out. You're gonna put this in the back and stick it in that little hole. And once it's in that little hole, you are going to press this button for it to move forward. And then this button is for it to go back if you want it to come out. And this button on the side is for the speed. So if it's pushed back more to the rear, it is going to go faster. But if it's pushed more to the front, it is going to go a little bit slower. So I'm going to hold this down. Let's do this. You notice you hear a little noise. So that means I need to put my filament in there. Okay. And if you notice, it'll start to print. So I'm going to go ahead and color over my heart. So if it runs out, you're just going to add more filament. So now I have my chocolate heart for chocolate love printed, and I'm just gonna let it dry for about maybe a minute or so and then take it off the wax paper. Again, you don't need the wax paper, but it's just for those who are new. When you're trying to learn how to use the 3D pen, you just want to do it on the wax paper first before you get used to doing it on the regular paper. All right, so let's go ahead and let it dry, and then I'm just gonna pull it off and we'll have our product. All right, don't need this anymore. And there you have it. 3D pen, how to make creations. A lot of times kids use this with robotics when they want to add on different pieces and to design and decorate. So I have my product now, and you can do anything with this. You can make earrings, you can make things again that goes on robots, you can make lids, containers, whatever you like, but of course you have to make sure that you invest in the filaments. So 3D pen, make sure you try to learn how to use a 3D pen, and you can also purchase these from us online. We will be selling them on our website for $45 because that's how much it runs for with a filament. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you like and leave a comment and share. Thank you. With lots of love. Bye.